It is Tuesday, September 16th. And it's about 4:30 a.m., which is crazy early, right? Honestly, that's not at all. Honestly, it doesn't feel too bad because we slept at like 10. Right now, I'm going to make myself a matcha, and yes, I brought all my matcha stuff because waking up at 4 a.m. today, and then I'm gonna probably wake up at like 2 a.m. tomorrow for the sunrise. I'm gonna need something to keep me awake, and I'm not really a fan of like energy drinks. You know what would really help is some glasses, as in my CNET glasses. There's a lot of bugs in this place, which is understandable because well, I haven't shown you what the verbal looks like, but it's literally out in the middle of nowhere. Like a bunch of plants, a bunch of open spaces, a bunch of chickens. Apparently Michael said they also have a pig. It makes sense that there are bugs. And as someone who's scared of bugs, it's also kind of low-key easier to not have glasses and not be able to see. What Look at the size of this bowl. It's a good matcha whiskey bowl size. This is definitely past the best before date, but this is Wakiki from Iputo. It's one of the last Iputos that I have. Actually, I'm not that interesting here. You can watch me make Can you see? I can't see if you can see. I haven't heard those giggles in literally like 6 years. Like, that's how long I haven't been home. When I heard it yesterday, I was like, oh my god, it actually feels so... It's not a lot of... Okay, I'm taking back so much of it because my water bottle is tiny. I guess I could make 2. No. I actually wanted to do this last night, but I only washed the bottles last night and I wanted to give them some time to like dry off. Wait, I meant to do that in the water. Ooh, can you see that? Not really. Oh, look at it. I forgot. Oh. Oh, look at that. Now the hard part is trying to get all of that into here without spilling. Confidence. Oh. Confidence work. Oh. Actually, I did spill some. Might as well. And then be a boy now. Okay. Taste test. No man, that was way too much milk. So I did, in fact, need that last little half teaspoon of matcha, I think. Okay, now I have like 30 minutes, I think, to do my makeup and hair and get ready. I will check in with you later.
Going through the trees, la da 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 da.
Do you want to explain what's going on?
Yeah, we're going to take a photo shoot. We're gonna take a photo shoot. Here's a one-way bridge. If you guys take a look.
That's the bridge.
Oh, this is it.
There's one spot right here. These bricks are so sensitive.
A shaka is a hand gesture made by
More
holding
windy
down the
roads.
middle 3 fingers of Hawai'i, and everybody just gets it. It means hi, hello, thanks, goodbye, and loose. Awesome and cool. It has many meanings and all of them are good. So hey,
Dramamine, I hope you're doing something.
whenever.
Oh, mile marker 7.5. We're stopping at mile marker 10.5, fam.
Oh, I wish we could stop.
Look out. Well, maybe you're just not used to it.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I need to stop with this gimbal point. Like, this thing is... I need this thing to turn faster.
You can turn yourself.
As we round the bend in the mountain ahead, you'll begin to see Honolulu Bay come into view.
We do.
In a minute,
Oh my god. Gorgeous.
Rich because I've seen it. I'm gonna keep repeating that. Oh my god, this sounds so hot.
I know, that's why I'm like, Like, I know I wanted a convertible, but... Oh, this one is so much better. Okay.
AC play there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, that's why I was thinking too once.
You just thought to also not say it out loud.
No, because you're the one who's trying. Okay, and plus there's some like branches coming out, so I would.
You're getting hit.
I would be getting hit.
Wait, should I?
And one card.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it comes out to $51.94 today. A bathroom? Oh yeah, it's gonna be about a 1 to 2 minute drive down the road.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god, cookie PR. So Auntie Sandy's opens at 8:30. I want to say Michael got in line around 8:20 because we were kind of here early anyways. What? Do you know what time it is?
It's 8:45.
8:45. So, you know, not that much of a wait. There's even less of a wait now because like it's cleared up. So I would say come at 8:30 if you want no line at all, or between 8:30 and 8:45. And now we're just heading back to over there because we parked the car over there. There were no parking spots anymore in front of Auntie Sandy's. I'm so excited. The bread is so warm. The view is so pretty. And most of all, I am starving. So it's gonna hit. Oh, nui ni ave. There is for sure a much better way.
Right?
The sunscreen?
Yeah.
But
Yeah. I'll just try by itself first.
oh, okay, you're right. Did you want?
Cheers.
Cheers. It actually tastes like real banana. Maybe it's just Myanmar building maybe Myanmar comparison. But you know how like banana products are usually like they have that like fake banana essence. We did not need 3 butters. I lost an eyelash. On this side.
Yeah, because we were just right there.
We were just right there.
Yeah.
Crazy. Crazy how roads work. Then it's a small little beachy looking area. pretty.
Here's what you need to do to see the waterfall. Just drive by slowly. Now, you may see people parked, but they are parked illegally.
I do see 3.
It's a fun one. Hurrah! Back to the views.
We're 10th in line.
Ooh, more waterfalls.
Oh, shit.
Oh, just like smaller waterfalls, I would say.
So, as they said, there is construction on the road. Or whatever it is that they're doing. Because I have no clue. And that comes from not them doing their jobs, me knowing absolutely nothing about construction.
You have to heal from here, it's crazy.
But ideally, you should be able to. Whoa! See? So. Whoa! Oh! Oh, wow. Pit stop.
Aloha,
Hi.
friends. How
Good
are
morning.
you? Just give me a few minutes. I'm almost there,
Yeah.
okay?
The only
Thank you
passion
so
fruit nut.
much.
Do you open only at 10?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I did not have to be zoom in. Because I thought it was, you had to be there within the first 30 minutes or they don't let you in. I think that's your coconut. I think this is my needy koi. No, it's just mupala. So much for the taste test. Okay. Taste test. Alright, this time I will be smarter. There we go.
Okay, alright.
That's what I did and it fell over. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
It's really good, but.
是这的那种是记住吧
Like, I might prefer the yesterday's one more.
Yesterday was creamier.
Yeah.
Like, oh no, but me I
didn't cook you.
No. The pet no. Oh, the cat did want to be pet. What are you doing? You get one,
Yeah.
Not that way. Trying to get injured, bro. Come on. You can't tell, but it was raining like 1 minute ago. But it was sunny also like 10 minutes ago. These freaking clouds. Oh, I found the sun. Does this count or is it cheating?
E.T. Oh no, you're so cute.
Wait, I was not recording.
Oh my god, Michael. Can you move your head? Well, at least you didn't record my dad singing as well.
I will soon. I just have it ready. Well, I'm like, record the look. Hana restaurant and bar. Well, there's a lot of people there. Not a lot. Some.
Gas? Didn't even think about gas.
Oh, gas. How are we on gas?
We're 253 miles out of like
Although we're coming to the end
Oh, that's
of the
pretty good.
highway, there's still so much to see, do, and explore.
Fish
In
taco.
fact, in just a few minutes, we'll be coming up on two of the most beautiful beaches on this side of the island. Their names are Koki Beach and Hamoa Beach.
Well, I'm glad I made it all the way here without getting nauseous. Are you excited? Sorry. Yeah. What can I do for you? Chicken plate. Thank you. Oh, I found my deal chicken. Like when they said like a quarter chicken, it really is like quarter from my deal.
You like yours?
I really like it.
Huh?
I really like it. I'm so glad we managed to come all the way here.
Which one? The chicken or the?
Chicken, yeah, rotisserie chicken and meal, but like with so much more.
Yeah.
But so much better. And look at this piece of Diego. Oh.
Coconut here. Coconut.
I got it, Michael. Mira Mesa. That was so funny. We're in line for the porta potties, and the lady with us was like, "I recognize you from the flight. You were wearing Sidearc yesterday," and I'm like, "My memory is shit because I did not remember that at all."
Chicken.
Hello. So it's 1:19. Sorry, blind spot curve. It's 1:19 and we made it as far as to huli chicken. We discussed going further, but low-key I kind of don't really feel the need to anymore. So we've turned around. I actually did not know the convertible roofs can go down while you're driving. I just watched a car on the opposite side do that.
It's the same car.
No, is it?
Yes.
Oh.
It's the black one that stopped by a Google glance.
Oh.
You see the same people.
Same car. I thought you meant same car as this one. Like Moredua. Anyway, not bad all.
Yeah, but because diverse då while you
Oh,
were
okay.
känner jag det.
So many blind spots, I swear. Anyways, can you update?
Yep. So we're going back to the Hana Bay, and then make some stops that we did not make coming here. We're doing that, probably the Waterfall, and then Garden of Eden, Twin Falls maybe, depending on the time. But yeah, that's the current agenda. All right, peace. Peace.
Is that a horse?
Those are cows. There's a coconut tree at the top of the. And then we see some cows
Would
here.
you call that an island or a rock formation?
I would call that more of a rock formation. Because I feel like island, somebody has to live on the island.
Oh, I probably
Yeah.
where I was like FaceTiming Ava.
Yeah.
Hey, not there. It's pretty red.
Yeah, it's the red sand beach.
You're right.
Yes.
Yeah.
I took photos of it.
Oh, while I was peeing.
Yes.
We are, hello, right here, and we stopped by the stand. That man was so cool. He showed us all his banana plant trees, and we got these are the blue Java. Blue Javas, and then we got 2 apple bananas, and then he also gave us a star fruit. I love star fruit. They're so cute. Anyways, we're gonna go get coffee, and then we're gonna turn back around and then go wherever it is that we decide to go to. Yeah. Imagine we pulled up and then we didn't even get anything. Like, we literally did a U-turn.
I mean, when I saw the bananas, I was like, okay, I'll take the bananas. Like, I already was interested in eating.
I was hoping he would have dragon fruit, because that one stand we passed that dragon fruit, and I think it was like $4. Anyways,
There's no longer there. No, yeah, actually later.
it was over there.
It was there, but Mishio, dragon fruit Mishio.
Of course. Okay. And then this was pineapple banana bread. And we got honey to put into my matcha. Okay. Ooh, I might get a smoothie.
How are you guys?
Good,
We're good. Man, naitama. We just went for a quick dip in what I believe is the Pua'aka waterfalls, and there's like an upper section and a lower section. I saw some people on the lower section. I don't know how they got there, but I'm going to check it out. We're actually a little bit on a time crunch, but oh well. Ooh, wow. Oh, there's a path like right here. And that's why some people got to the lower one. Bruh, I would have just gone into this one. Oh, wait. I don't think there's, okay. Maybe the other one was easier to get down to, but I did fall on my ass. Like, actually, like dragged Michael down with me. Fell on my ass. So, pretty. We want to go back. Okay, not we. I want to go back to the Garden of Eden because this morning when we went, it was just the photographer who was taking photos, and then we kind of had to leave like immediately because we were in there from like 6:15 to about 7:15. Park actually opens at 8, so. Oh wow. Well, hello. They just came up to me. Like, look how close they are. They're very used to people, apparently, so. But look at how pretty. Oh no, okay, it's only the ones on the ground. Got it.
That sounds good.
Yeah. No, I feel cornered. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Trying to leave? Yes. It's crazy. Like, I remember, not remember, but I was watching vlogs and stuff, and I was like, okay, they're just trees that are like, you know, several colors, but oh my god, it's actually so much cooler in real life. Like, I don't even know how to explain it.
You want to take a photo?
So do we think the eucalyptus is being held up by the bamboo, or the bamboo is being held up by the eucalyptus?
This is holding it up there.
That's true.
It's unfortunate and jaded, Helen, coming to this.
Yeah. Is that a unicorn?
Huh?
That's a unicorn. You know how people have like slow dances?
Sure.
Oh, hey! Jurassic Park. Los Lands.
Close enough.
Close enough. I want to see dinosaurs. Okay. Dinosaur. No, I meant Los Lands. I don't know why I'm like, ooh, banana patch. We literally saw banana trees from that guy's stand. I think so.
Ooh, the smell. I'm gonna just zoom past you. That's actually pretty nice. Like, I mean,
But you did, you stopped.
What do you mean I stopped? Oh. Huh? I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, see? I'm like...
Underwhelming, I guess.
I mean, because we went to the best spot.
We're just right there. And it feels so far away now. Crazy. Wait, yeah.
I think my mom would love this tree.
I love this tree.
You know what?
Wait, really?
Huh?
You think the Tongjadan was a pigeon?
I'm pretty sure.
Pigeon felt a little more flat and rectangular to me. I don't know. Is that guava? I'm sweating so much. Look at these. The color on them. Both of them, honestly, gorgeous. Although I will say, that one from far away without my glasses is giving Sims. Like 2014 Sims. And these ones are fuzzy looking. I see why people spend like 2 hours here. There's so much to look at, and you can also get lost.
Honestly, I would say more than that. It's just for me, like, if you admire the plant, it's like a zoo, you know? No, what am I saying?
Botanical.
Botanical.
This is a botanical garden,
Yeah,
though.
exactly. It's botanical.
Huh?
Yeah, Mali.
Huh?
Like, these red ones, they used to just grow on trees.
Oh yeah.
It's like a
Well,
throwback.
they grow on trees, Mahali. They are a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They-
Bro, I
just
sound so
picked
out of
them.
breath.
I just picked them.
It's so sign children, mala.
I think so. But like, it was, I don't know, it was not safe.
Oh, for sure.
I don't know why we did that.
Hello. Oh my god, my hair is crazy. It's 5:23. We just left the Garden of Eden. Oh my god, I literally brought a microphone so that I can plug it in and, you know, I don't have to scream over the sound of the car in the wind. But whatever. It's 5:23. We just left the Garden of Eden and we are now headed back towards the rest of Maui, I guess. We're talking about going, oh my god, I look so bad. We're talking about going to Foodland for dinner. Yeah. And so that is it for our Road to Hana adventures. All we have left, why are you driving on the wrong side of the road? All that's left is us actually getting home. Well, not home.
I am
Out of
surviving the road to Hana.
Okay.
Okay.
We almost did it. Falling flat on our asses.
Okay. Bye.
Foodland! Woo! Cucumber. At the grocery store, another J you're going to I'm eyeing, but I've learned my lesson. We got ahi. Oh, they're all okay. You know what? We'll do this later. They're all labeled the same. Poke tour. We're at our verbal. I just showered. I feel clean. We're gonna eat dinner. We got nishiki rice, and Michael's heating up my huli leftovers, and we have ahi, onion, spicy ahi, salmon shoyu, and I forgot what ahi it is. But basically we have 3 tuna, 1 salmon. They're all half-pounds each. I do believe we went a little overboard, as we tend to. But we are feasting!